Experiencing login problems with Assurance Wireless? Common OTP issues include network instability and SMS reception problems. Ensure your phone has a stable connection and can receive messages. OTP failures can occur due to delays or spam filters. Try requesting a new OTP and check your spam folder. For Captcha problems, ensure your browser is updated and doesn't have conflicting extensions like ad blockers. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, or try using incognito mode. If issues persist, the Assurance Wireless app version 4.8 or later offers improved OTP delivery reliability due to integration with Google's SMS Retriever API. Temporary server outages may also cause login blocks. Check Assurance Wireless's website or social media for announcements. Login issues can also stem from browser incompatibility. If you're using Chrome, try Firefox or vice versa. A Reddit thread from our Assurance Wireless in March 2025 highlighted that switching browsers and clearing cookies resolved Captcha failures for many users. Ensure JavaScript is enabled in your browser settings. If you're using a VPN, temporarily disable it as it might block your IP. For persistent problems, contact Assurance Wireless support. As a future solution, Assurance Wireless is piloting biometric authentication, such as fingerprint or voice, which may replace problematic OTP methods. Also, regularly update the Assurance Wireless app, as app usage is up 25% in 2025 and provides a more stable login experience compared to the web-heavy approach.